Look at this headline. Groundbreaking biological AI could make impossible medicines real. So how does that make you feel? Excited? Uneasy? That gut check says a lot about how ready we are for what's coming. Because here's the truth. AI isn't just progressing, it's accelerating. And our brains, they were built for berry picking, not exponential growth curves. But don't worry today, this isn't a doom story. I'm going to show you why your brain can't keep up yet, what experts actually think is happening, and most importantly, how you can upgrade your own thinking to stay ahead. So welcome to Adapt Lab Together. I'm Mickey, and this is where we explore how to stay curious and human while the world speeds up. So let me start with a confession. When I opened up ChatGPT for the very first time years ago, I felt it had taken my brain, doused it in espresso. I thought, 15 minutes a day. That'll keep me up to speed, no problem. Yeah, no. 15 minutes turned into a flood over the years. New tools, new breakthroughs, new existential questions before breakfast. Does that sound familiar? So the truth is, it's not that we're lazy or distracted. It's that we're not wired for this kind of fast exponential change. So here's a fun little brain glitch. If I put 1 grain of rice on the first square of a chessboard, then double it on each square afterwards, how many grains will there be on square 32? So go ahead, guess. Most people say 1 million. The real answer, 2 billion. That's exponential growth. And our intuition, our Stone Age brains, they're adorably wrong about it. We naturally think in straight line, not exponential curves. And even engineers, even people who are trained do this. Our brains have evolved to track steady change, like weather patterns or animal migration. Sudden doubling over and over again, rare in nature. So we just don't feel it. And that is called the exponential growth bias. And that's why so many people get caught off guard by AI. So, is AI really moving exponentially? Demis Hassabis, who is the head of Google DeepMind, says yes. And he's one of the people actually building AI. Sam Altman from OpenAI agrees, pointing out that each new generation of AI is now built by the previous one. So that's like machines designing their own smarter cousins. And when systems start improving themselves, the time between breakthroughs shrinks. And that's when our prediction really breaks down. This is what some people call the singularity. But Sam Altman calls it something softer, a gentle singularity. Not an explosion, but emerging. And we may already be entering that phase. Okay, what does that mean for us? It means our challenge isn't about learning faster. It's about adapting smarter. Because if progress is exponential and we aren't, then our edge is how we respond. Some jobs will vanish. Anthropic's co-founder Dario Amodei says up to half of entry-level white-collar roles could disappear in 5 years. But this isn't the end of human value. It's a rebalancing. We don't need to compete with algorithms. We need to double down on the things that are hardest to automate. Communication, empathy, creative judgment, curiosity, resilience. That's the new skill stack, the one that keeps you adaptable no matter how fast things move. So if AI is exponential and you aren't, what's your upgrade? Here's mine, and you can steal it. So step 1. The curiosity sprint. Spend 15 focused minutes a day experimenting with an AI tool. Not doom scrolling, playing. And then share one thing you learned with someone else, a friend, a coworker, your kid, somebody. That tiny daily loop is enough to build fluency. Step 2, strengthen your human layer. Every week, do one thing AI cannot do for you. Connect, teach, comfort, create. AI may write faster, but it can't feel. That's still your superpower. Step 3, stay grounded in the physical world. AI's biggest disruptions are coming for anything behind a screen. So get outside, touch the analog world, because your best ideas usually show up when your phone is nowhere near you. Tomorrow, another AI headline will drop. Next week, they'll double again. We can't control the acceleration, but we can choose what we accelerate. You can accelerate your curiosity, your compassion, your resilience. That's your upgrade. So thank you for watching. If you're the kind of person who wants to adapt on purpose, subscribe to Adapt Lab. The future is coming really fast. Let's figure it out together. And you can find the link to our school community in the description below.